Okay, I'm going to try to explain what happened here with my DR professional log splitter. It is it's a 2014. It's the small one. I think it's the where do we have it up here? Rapidfire. I think it's K22 something 22. Anyway, went to try to start it, would not start. Had no spark to the plug. Changed the plug, still nothing. So through some search online, I ended up I kind of figured out it was the coil. So what I ended up doing, I had to take the housing here off. Okay, the shroud here, there's 4 screws. There's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Take this off, and then you got to take off 4 screws. This one back in here. 2, 3, 4. That will come off. Of course, you got to take off the air cleaner. You take all that off. Okay, you're going to have, here's the old coil. I already replaced it, and I figured I would just do this to help anyone where it might be happening to them. Okay, there's 2 bolts. Once you get this here off, this little bell housing up in here sits around the coil. Coil attaches on with two bolts going through, and you pull that off. Take the plug off. Okay, this comes out. There's a kill switch over here. This wire comes up and attaches. Here we go. This is the wire here. It's like this, and this, the other end, goes around the back, comes out, that attaches onto the coil. So you got to thread that back all together. Well, anyway, you pull it off. The part number, I don't know if you can see it here. It is 30400 Z510210. You can get that off of DRs. Call them up, DR, or I just plug that number in, and it was about half the price online. Only one company carried it. I don't even know what it was, but this was still under warranty, so DR sent me out this part. So when you replace this, you take it off, you will spin, I don't even know what it's called, but till there's, the part of it's magnetized, till you're going to put this back on and try to get as much gap as you can between these contact points and the magnets. Tighten it up. Then get a business card. Put the business card between your these contact points and the magnet. Let it get in nice and close. Tighten up these 2 bolts. You can pull the business card out. That's roughly what it needs to be gapped at. Pull the business card out, and you just put it all back together in reverse, and it works amazingly.